Welcome. In this video, we're talking a little bit about the Montessori Geometric Solids. The geometric solids are some of the earliest sensorial materials introduced to children in a Montessori preschool, kindergarten, also known as primary environment. Montessori's sensorial materials encourage the development and refinement of the senses. They isolate one sense at a time and have a built-in control of error that provides the child the freedom to self-correct without the aid of a guide. In this video, Noah is going to show you a sorting extension that he uses when working with the geometric solids. Prior to participating in this activity, it's helpful to have been introduced to the solids using the 3-period lesson and have had the opportunity to work with the solids using nomenclature cards. You can find more information about that in the free printable guide on our site. I'll leave the link for that below in the description box. For this activity, Noah is taking 2D image cards and placing them underneath the appropriate 3-dimensional solid.
This is definitely a cube. Cube is the way at the one.
This free printable guide contains lesson and extension ideas for working with the Montessori Pink Tower and geometric solids. You can find the link in the description box below.
Look at this so long box. What is in this box?
Your wonder.
Which one is it? Which one is it? Kind of a cone shape. Everybody watch out. There is a cone. This cone strikes again. Cone strikes again.
Typically, Noah will place the solids at the top of his mat and then the cards underneath, but he decided he wanted you all to be able to see what he was doing, so it was his idea to put the solids at the bottom of the mat.